Next 2 days, we'll have some changes by the weekend and possibly some challenges into the weekend depending on where you're coming from or maybe where you're going. Weather-wise, could have some delays on the roads. This is what it looked like earlier today out of our Sherman Chevrolet Cadillac Tower Cam. Plenty of blue skies, sunshine, 59 now as we near sunset. Currently from that Sherman Chevrolet Cadillac Tower Cam, 520 for that sunset tonight. We are starting to see those clouds fade, but rain still holding on to the Gulf Coast. And more clouds for folks there into tomorrow. Off into the northeast, snow falling for portions of Maine. That's also moving into Canada and eventually will be pushing out of the northeast by tonight and tomorrow morning. If you are staying here, though, sunshine again in store Thursday. We've got clear skies overnight, which means a cold start early tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, could start to see a few more clouds moving in late afternoon, early evening with a 10% chance for a few stray showers. That should not impact any outdoor plans that you have for tomorrow, and then more clouds on the way Friday morning before we clear heading into Friday afternoon. Changes afoot by the weekend. More on that in a second. A closer look for now for tomorrow's forecast. 31 starting your day with 63 on the way by the afternoon. South winds 5 to 15. Those stray showers south, some raindrops. That's about it. Nothing to write home about there. Your overall national travel forecast, though, some changes on the way. The storm system moving through Idaho and even Wyoming, dropping some snow there into Thanksgiving. If you're flying on the holiday, that could cause delays if that's where you're headed. That same storm system going to be pushing south into Colorado by Friday and then moving here by the weekend. And that's when we're going to see some delays on the roads as this arrives in Oklahoma City and even down in Texoma by Saturday night and early Sunday morning. Temperatures here are expected to stay above freezing, but in northwestern Oklahoma, they will be below freezing, and that is where we likely will see some wintry mix moving on in. So if that's where you're headed or maybe driving through, delays there. Meanwhile here, rain, but things should be clearing by Sunday night, and Monday looks just fine. Cold air is going to be lingering through next week with temperatures in the 40s and in the 50s, and even heading into early December, we are expecting to stay on the chillier side. Temperatures heading into the morning going to be around freezing for most of us. By the afternoon, all of us in the 60s and upper 50s for your Thanksgiving. A look at that 7-day forecast sponsored by K&M Roofing and Construction. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s heading into next week with that sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday. Listen.